Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to our class. Student, now I am going to start a new point to show that air contain carbon dioxide. Student, we discuss about the air and what is the different percentage of the gases present in the air like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, dust particle. Okay, same thing, the carbon dioxide is also a very important part of our life because all the animals, human beings, they release carbon dioxide. Okay, such carbon dioxide absorbed by the plants. Clear? So question is, how will you prove that our air contain carbon dioxide? Understood now? You know carbon dioxide formula CO2 means one carbon and two oxygen. It join together and form the carbon dioxide. So student, it's a very easy process and we easily make such experiment at our home. Clear? So we need some important material. What is the material? See, we need a boiling tube, a two hard core, tube and lime water. Clear? You know student? See, this is the test tube. This is the test tube. This is the car. Two-hole car means a car who contain two holes. Clear? Next, we need two tube. We need two tube L size. Clear? And after that, we need a lime water. We need a lime water. Clear? Student, you know what is the lime water? Lime water means water who contain lime. And you know how to make? See, it's a very easy process. You can just you take one beaker. In the beaker you take some water. Clear? And after that take some stone lime. You know stone lime? Calcium oxide. CaO is the formula of calcium oxide, stone lime. Clear? And such stone lime just you put inside the water. Clear? So listen to it. Actually, when stone lime mixed up in the water, it produces energy. It produces heat. Clear? That's why this is the exothermic process. In such process, the heat release. Clear? So when you put the lime in the water, please be careful and don't put your finger inside the water. Otherwise, your skin burn. Clear? And question, how will you so that there is isothermal reaction? When you add the lime, after that you touch the wall of the container, you feel heat. Clear? It means this is the exothermic reaction. Clear? So after adding the stone lime in the beaker, just keep without disturbing half an hour or 1 hour. Clear? After 1 hour, we see that the calcium oxide, stone lime, completely mixed up in the water, and after that it settled on the base. Clear? It settled on the base. Mean downside we get the stone lime. Clear? And upside we get the water. Clear water. Means water, drinking water is the same type. Clear? This is the lime water. So student, after that such material is a test tube. See is the figure, is the one test tube. Just take the lime water and after that lock their mouth with the two-hole car. And after that is the two tube, just put inside the lime water. Clear? 16 the two tube is the first and the second. In the first tube, when you put inside the lime water, means they are one in deep inside the lime water. Clear? And other tube, see, is the upside of the water. Means no need to deep inside the water. Clear? Understood now? Any doubt? Okay. So this is the process. Means we settle all the instrument in test tube and cork and lime water, and this tube we put inside the water like this. Clear? After that, see, just put your mouth here and suck air like this. Because it's straight. This is the water, but upside is the empty. And you know, I told that it not empty. Empty means it contain air. It contain air. So straight, when you sucking air who present inside the test tube, then here upside at the vacuum, because we already sucked the air who present inside the test tube. Clear? So you know, student, when air move from one place to other place, then other air also fill the gap. So when you suck the air by your mouth, then the air who present in the atmosphere, it enter in the test tube. Clear? Enter in the test tube. And when the such air enter the test tube, then by such tube it enter in the water, and after that some air bubbles coming in the water. Clear? And after that, when air such bubbles are coming in the water, the transparent lime water turn milky. You know milky? Some white color. But not the permanent. For some time. Clear? When you suck the air, then the lime water turn milky. After that, it again change the transparent color. Clear? And after that, so what is so that? It's so that our air contain carbon dioxide. Clear? Because student listen, it's the one property of carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide react with the lime water, it turn milky. In only one condition. If the lime water react the other gases, it not turn milky. Only one condition. What? Only one condition, when the lime water react with the carbon dioxide, it turn milky. Clear? Similarly, student, one other activities, you know, student, during the respiration, we release carbon dioxide. Yes or no? Do you know now? By the respiration, we take air, and after that, our blood take oxygen from the air, and after that, such oxygen absorbed by the blood, and you know the part of blood who absorb oxygen? Hemoglobin. By the hemoglobin, our blood are the red color. So such hemoglobin absorb the oxygen from the air, and after that it convert into the oxygenated hemoglobin. Clear? And after that it transfer to the cells. Our cells absorb oxygen, and again the cell release carbon dioxide. Such carbon dioxide again absorbed by the blood and change into the deoxygenated blood. Such deoxygenated blood transfer to the lungs, and from lungs it coming outside. That's why, student, when we take air, when we take oxygen, then amount of air what we take, this is the less than what we release outside. Because we take only oxygen, the oxygen weight are less. Why? See, only oxygen, their weight are less, but carbon dioxide are heavier than oxygen. Clear? That's why, friend, during such process, the more amount of gases released from our body. means our body releases the carbon dioxide. Same thing. Just to take one beaker, just to take one beaker or take the test tube. See student, take the test tube, fill with the lime water. Clear? And after that, lock their mouth with the car, one whole car, and put one tube. Put one tube. Clear? See. Put your mouth here and pass air like this. Clear? When you do like this, we see that the transparent lime water change milky. Clear? But listen to it. When you pass slowly, if you pass slowly, it change milky. But if you pass heavily and continue like this, first it turn milky and after that again it change the transparent. Clear now? So remember, when you do such activity, no need to pass continue CO2 from your body. Just little. Just you pass like this. We seen that the lime water turn milky. Clear? Again you pass carbon dioxide like this. Again it change transparent. But there's some property after doing 2, 3, 4 times, it lost such activities. Clear na? It not means the same lime water, we repeat the same activity. Clear na? It's not possible. Any doubt is there? No. So remember student, our air contains the carbon dioxide. Clear? And NEC is a very easy activity, and we easily get what is the weight we need required. Only little one, a boiling tube, 2 whole car, tube, lime water, etc. Clear now? So student, by such activity we prove that our air contains carbon dioxide. Okay? Student, after that the next point is water vapor. You know student, water vapor? Water vapor is the one form of water. You know student, water occurs in the 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. In the solid, on the glacier, our pole contain glacier, such glacier contain ice. Clear? Which is the solid form. Liquid form, you see our water bodies like ocean, sea, river, lakes, all are the liquid form. And gaseous form, water vapor. You know student, how the water change the water vapor? See student, is the one video zone. See, is the one water sources. See, is the sun. In the daytime, the sunlight absorbed by the water, the sunlight absorbed by the plant or the human beings. After that, such water absorb heat from the sun and change the vapor form. Clear? Let's see. In the vapor state, it move the upside. But when it move upside, it condenses. And after that, it change into the cloud. Okay, when the water vapor are more condensed in the upside, when their weight are heavier, then in the form of rain, again it fell downside. In the form of rain. Clear? After that, such rainwater absorbed by the plant through the plant roots, it enters the downside. And after that, the plant and many grasses, their vapor, their root. It also has some roots. By such roots, the water transfers the downside. Clear? So this is the water vapor. How the water change the vapor form, and after that, how it again change the liquid form. Got it? So see, the some point is provide water for plant and animal. I told that how we get rainwater by the water vapor. So by the such process, our all plant and animals get water. Got it? Second, controls evaporation. You know student, evaporation. The water maintain our body temperature. Yes or no? See, in the summer season, our body release sweat. Why? Because when our body release sweat, balance temperature. Clear? So, it control the evaporation, means when our atmosphere contain water vapor, then our body lost very less amount of water. Clear? Next is determine climatic condition. Student, you know our country the three climate, but summer, winter and rainy season. So when water vapor are more in the atmosphere, this is the rainy season. When less water vapor, then summer season. You see, student, in the summer season we don't get water. Why? Because on that time the temperature are more. So in such condition, such temperature, the water change the vapor form. Clear? And when the temperature less, then it become heavier, and after that it fall on the earth in the form of rain. Clear? So student, you know water vapor is very important for of our life, and very important for all living beings, plant, animal, everything need water. Clear? That's why the water vapor who present in the atmosphere, by such our small insect take water. By the liquid form water, all the aquatic life, our fishes, frog, means all the aquatic life who survive in the ocean or seas, river, it also get. And after that our poles, solid form, it also survive by the some other animals, like you see, like polar bear. So student, these are the some important point of the water vapor. Clear? So the next topic we discuss in the next video. Okay student, thank you.